Hey guys, and welcome to this video. My name is Judd Albring, and this is a video about ClickFunnels 2019. So I recently came back from the ClickFunnels Funnel Hacking Live event, which was held in February, and they talked about a lot of new things going on with ClickFunnels in 2019. And the first one I want to start off with is the new affiliate bootcamp. So if you're somebody who is interested in affiliate marketing, whether you want to promote ClickFunnels or any other product for that matter, even if you're just interested in learning how to build funnels, create offers, hooks, stories, where to put your ad copy, and so forth, this is a great training and it is absolutely free. So I highly recommend that you take a look at it. Also, what is new in 2019 is the 30-day summit, or what is called the One Funnel Away Challenge. So what is super cool about this, guys, and I went through the very first one in the beginning of the year, and what they do is they interview, I believe it is 30 $1 million earners in ClickFunnels, 2 Comma Club winners, and they interview these guys and girls, and they give you their blueprint of, so that's a 2 Comma Club award, somebody who's made over $1 million in 1 year using one funnel, guys, one funnel. That's amazing. So all these people go through and show you what they would do from step 1 all the way day 1 to day 30, how they would start from 0 and build it back up again. What would be their blueprint for success in the first 30 days. So what you get when you sign up for this, now the One Funnel Away Challenge does cost $100, but I can tell you from experience, I've spent thousands on trainings. This is well worth $100. This could easily sell for $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 for what you get in it. So not only do you get the interviews with the top 2 Comma Club winners, 30 of them from all different industries, you also get to see behind the scenes, and they show you their funnels, how they built their $1 million funnel. That is priceless, guys. You're also going to get MP3 player with past, I believe you get the past funnel hacking live events, so you can listen to all the trainings. You're going to get all the blueprints, step by step, how to build these funnels that these award winners have done. Liz Benny, Trey Llewellyn, Garrett White, Dana Derricks, Allison Prince, Julie Stoyan. I mean, the list goes on. And there's also Jamie Cross, who actually has an amazing story. She, guys, sold soap out of her kitchen and is doing over $1 million a year selling soap using what she learned in the ClickFunnels training. Spencer Meekum is a $1 million affiliate, so he's earning $1 million a year promoting ClickFunnels. That is absolutely amazing. So you get all their stories, you get behind the scenes, plus you get the book recording. Plus, guys, you get training. So you're getting training from Steve Larson, Julie Stoyan, and ClickFunnels himself day by day over these 30 days that will take you from 0 to hero. Yes, I said it, 0 to hero in 30 days. They're going to give you marketing plans. They're going to show you how to create funnels, how to create offers, everything you could ever imagine. So the One Funnel Away Challenge, guys, is where it's at. I'm going to put links below for both the brand new updated affiliate bootcamp. This just came out May, I believe it was end of May, early June 2019, and the One Funnel Away Challenge came out the first of the year. So you get interviews and behind the scenes funnels with all these people. Check it out. I hope you enjoy it. ClickFunnels in 2019 is absolutely crushing it, guys. Go check it out. My name is Judd, and thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.